Hello guys, this is Farhan from Graphic and I'm by Farhan, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to adjust the speed of a video. So without further ado, let's get started. So the video length is 56 minutes. So I'm gonna go to the second footage, click on the speed tool, and if you hover over it, you'll see there is written that modify the playback speed. If you set it to like 4, then it will be
from Scandinavia striking snow
like that. And if you slow it down to like 0.5, it will be what I'm gonna do is fasten this up to 2x. This one to 0.8x.
From Scandinavia's striking snow-coated scenery to the charming coastlines of the Mediterranean, Europe is...
Okay, that voice is ridiculous. So I'm gonna move on to the third footage. I'm going to fasten this up to maybe mute this too. And keep playing around with the adjustments of this to get good practice. So that'll do it for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.